Some breaking news now coming in regarding a train accident that has taken place in Uttar Pradesh. Preliminary information, there has been a train derailment. This is in Gonda in Uttar Pradesh, and some coaches of the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express have overturned. So that is the information we can share with you right now. This derailment took place between Gonda and Jilahi. There you can see the first visuals coming in of the derailment of the coaches. These are 4 AC coaches that overturned. So a train derailment taking place in Uttar Pradesh, and this is in Gonda. This was the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express, in which 4 coaches have overturned. We have no further information regarding injuries and whatnot. You can see some passengers also there sitting out besides the track, the train on the track still, and 4 coaches, however, have overturned. So that is the information that is coming in. A train derailment taking place between Chandigarh and Dibrugarh. This was All right, so 4 coaches overturning. Ranveer joining us on the phone line now for more. And Ranveer, what is the latest you can share with us? What do we know about this train derailment?
Train number 15904, Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express derailed, and 4 AC coaches turned turtled. And the reports are saying that some of the passengers are injured, but there is no human loss till now reported. Total 4 AC coaches are turned turtle in Gonda district of Uttar Pradesh. So the initial reports coming that the local administration has sent a rescue team to the site, and this incident occurred near Gonda's this area, what we can say, Picora. Gonda Jilahi railway station, and the area is Picora, where the train accident had happened just a few minutes back, and CM Yogi Adityanath instructed the local authorities to visit as soon as possible and give the best possible relief and rescue to the injured one.
All right, Ranveer, we will, return to you for more information, but that is the preliminary information Ranveer is giving us. A train derailment and 4 coaches have overturned. As Ranveer said, the Chief Minister has taken note of the train accident, and he has instructed officials to reach the site immediately and expedite the relief efforts. At the moment, no information about any grievous injuries, but yes, some injuries have been reported, as Ranveer said. That you can see those visuals of the train coaches lying on their side. A lot of passengers also out there. This was the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express which overturned, and the Chief Minister has instructed officials to reach the site and help with the relief efforts and ensure that the injured receive proper medical attention. So that is the big breaking news. This is the train number 15904, as Ranveer told us, the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express, which is overturned between Gonda and Jilahi. This accident took place near an area called Picora. As we said, no information about any sort of grievous injuries. There are some people who have been injured, and the administration has sent a rescue team. It is 4 AC coaches that overturned, and as we said, this accident took place some distance from the Jilahi railway station. Ranveer, back on the phone line with us. Ranveer, anything more one can share? And we can see those coaches lying on the side in agricultural fields, and it's a long train. Many passengers now are just waiting for some relief.
The initial report says that Dibrugarh Express, they derailed in Gonda district of UP, and around 4 to 5 AC coaches derailed, and this incident occurred near Jilahi railway station of Gonda, which is around 3 kilometers. The accident site is 3 kilometers away from Jilahi, so the local administration is reaching there and trying to give the best possible rescue. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's office is monitoring the situation and instructed the local authorities to visit as soon as possible and give the best possible rescue and relief to the injured one. And there are no reports of human life till now, but the local authorities are confirming that whether any passenger is now.
All right, so that is the big breaking news right now. A train accident and yet another train accident in the sense taking place, but this involved the derailment of 4 AC coaches, which you can see there in those initial visuals lying on the side. There have been some injuries, as one can imagine, but no reports immediately of any grievous injuries having taken place. The rescue team is on its way there, and it's 4 AC coaches that have overturned. In fact, a media release has just been issued by the UP government that says Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has taken note of the train accident. Chief Minister has directed officials to immediately reach the site and expedite relief efforts. He's instructed for the injured to be promptly transported to hospitals and for the district administration officials to ensure they receive proper treatment. So the teams are on their way to help with those relief efforts. And of course, it's a matter of inquiry now as to how this train derailment took place. This train had left from Chandigarh. It was from Chandigarh to Dibrugarh, an express train which has derailed here in Gonda district. As we've been telling you, this is between Gonda and Jilahi is when the train derailment took place in a place near Pikora, and this is train number 15904. Chandigarh Dibrugarh Express. There will be helpline numbers also coming up for relatives who may want to inquire about this train accident. There you can see those visuals which show the train off the track. 4 of the coaches overturned and are now lying on their side. Now a team has also been sent here by the UP Chief Minister. They have been instructed to help with the relief and rescue and the relief operation, and ensure that those who are injured are immediately rushed to the nearest hospital and receive medical relief at the earliest. So the Chief Minister has instructed officials to reach the site immediately and ensure that the injured receive medical care. So that is the big breaking news right now. The coaches that have turned over, that have derailed, are 4 AC coaches on this Chandigarh Dibrugarh Express that have turned on their side. The entire train, as you can see, the track is blocked, and teams are arriving here. Efforts will be made to ensure that the track is cleared at the earliest, and of course an inquiry as to what caused this train derailment. 4 AC coaches of the Chandigarh Dibrugarh Express derailing in Gonda.